Good morning. We are back for more woodworking, more finishing. Last night, Art actually finished the countertop, already being used. Charity's making crackers. And I am back in the dining room working on some more of the staining. So if you watched yesterday's vlog, I actually showed you a little bit of how I was staining and things like that. I'm sorry, pathetic view, but I want to work while I talk to you guys. So I have all of the woodwork. This had the first coat of stain on it. After you finish this, you get a scouring pad. This is one that, you can tell it's seen better days. It's done a lot of cabinets. Usually my local woodwork guy where I buy my finish, he actually includes this in sandpaper and a pair of gloves for you. I haven't been there recently to get a new one. But what you do is, if you were to feel this, and I know you guys can't feel this on camera, there's actually all these little pieces of wood just standing up on end. And that's because that stain absorbed and lifted those fibers up of the wood. So if you take this scouring pad and literally just run it over, doesn't take long, just run up and down it for a minute on all the sides. It's amazing how much smoother this gets. Ah, so much better. Feel that, Lydia. Okay, so feel this, and then feel the backside. Feel the difference? Yeah. So it's not a big thing, but it makes such a difference in the overall finish of your woodworking. So before I finish staining this whole another second coat on these rails and stiles and panels, I'm doing this aspect of the woodworking, which is just taking off all those little knobbies, making it look beautiful and smooth. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but it changes everything in woodworking. So I've gotten 4 pieces done, got a little bit more to go, and I'm gonna see if I can get this done real quick like. This morning we had to clean the entire kitchen, and we didn't clean it entirely. Like, I did not clean entirely under there because that's going to get all pulled apart when we finish the shelves. And I thought, you know, the best thing I can do is actually whoa, careful there, monkey. The best thing I can do is put my time into the shelves and all that. However, I did, if you watched a few days ago, I was hoping to get this done. It is done, it is cleaned off, it's good to go until we make our next mess. I also needed to make some bread this morning, so that's here rising away. And Charity is making crackers. If you guys have not tried my homemade wheat thin bread, oh, they're so good. You need to make that recipe. Not hard to do, not really all that time consuming, excellent to do with little kids like you. Careful in the chair. So I finished sanding, or taking the scouring pad to all of the wood, and got my snack, and now I'm going to put my gloves on. I'm going to stain. Something I didn't mention yesterday is when you're doing this, wear old clothes that you don't mind getting kind of icky. This is my Charity can testify. She ruined 2 of her sweatshirts because she was staining with her sweatshirt on.
Probably acrylic on one and stain on the other.
That's so. If you're doing staining projects, wear old clothes. This is my old denim shirt. It's fleece lined, so it's warm. I look awful in it, but I don't mind if it gets dirty, so it's a win-win. All right, time to stain before lunch, and I baked that bread. The bread came out really, really good. It only stuck in one little place. We actually had 2 loaves, but, well, that's getting eaten for lunch. We're taking our leftover sparrow ham. We turned it into ham salad sandwiches, which is over there. And Charity is making sandwiches. Yes, you didn't want ham salad, so we have a little girl who wants plain bread.
I like salad.
You like ham salad?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's good.
Good morning.
Good morning, Lily. How are you?
Good.
Did you have fun playing outside?
Yes.
It was nice outside. A little cool, but it was fun.
Can I say good morning?
Do you want to say good morning, Grace?
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Oh, so it's an afternoon. We got a morning.
Good afternoon.
Yeah, what?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
All right, little man's hungry. You ready to eat?
Want some?
5 o'clock now. I was outside, thus the hat. It's actually pretty cold and windy out. And at this point, you know what? I am so comfortable in my hat, I don't think I'm going to take it off. So that's that. But I have spent almost the entire afternoon working on the shelves. All these shelves now have their first coat of the polyacrylic on them. They are drying, and then tonight I will attempt to put one more coat on all of these. I have it set up. If I start here and do that side, one side on them, and work out my way all the way around, by the time I finish and I get back, I can flip these over and do the second side. So that's what I did. Everything has one coat so far. Charity helped me. We did a freezer meal for the win here. She made some hoagie rolls. So we've got hoagie rolls to go with pulled pork. Remember, I had pulled pork in the freezer. So I've got that. I'm all set for dinner. I think I'm just going to quick throw some coleslaw together and call it dinner. These days, dinner has turned into a much simpler experience. Partly we're in quarantine and I don't want to go grocery shopping, but partly because I don't have the time with all the kitchen, everything happening with the kitchen. Hey babes, how are you? Did you have a good time outside? Come here. Hi, how are you? Are you hungry, boy? I bet you are. Oh. Are you hungry? Yes. Okay, do you need some water? No? Let's see if we can find your cup. I'm not sure where your cup went off to. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Oh, you're a big boy to get off the floor. Wow, this is what he wants. Do you want one of those rolls? Yes. Yes, please. Mwah. Okay. Well, I have to put the camera down because I can't hold you in one hand and the camera in the other. So we'll have to put the camera down and we'll get some food, okay? Say okie dokie. Let's see. See if I can put this down like this. Now it's crooked. There's Daniel. Let's see if we can find a little roll for you. Would you like this? Oh, can you say thank you, Mommy? Oh, it's even warm. Use those little teenies. How is it? Is it good? Yum. Yum. What's that? Uh-oh. Yeah, you do. What did you do? Aha! Good news
Yes,
today!
we do. Look at this. Last night I worked hard and
We
then
are so close to being done.
today I worked some more.
Dink.
All we have left is stain and finish, and the stain is done. We just need to finish the finish.
And there they all are, right there. Almost done. Looking good, Art. Looking
Yes,
really
it
good.
is. We're going to have shelves in just a couple days. Well, probably tonight even.
Yep.
Last night, Charity and Janelle finishing all of the shelves and the doors. And yes, I know I need to install the doors, but that's for Snail's Pace Challenge 2 coming up, probably in a week or so. So we need to make a whole bunch of circles right now, and the girls all are eager to make circles. See, we'll go on age order from littlest to biggest here. Okay. You can circle, let's give you 3 of them. You can do 57, 58, 59.
Could you just do one big circle?
No.
Last one.
No, we're going through all the little circles because we worked really hard on these. Okay, one more, Lillian. And we'll give it to Grace. Okay, give it to Grace.
How many?
You can do 3.
62 on
Yeah, 60, 61, 62. 60. This is so exciting because we're
finishing.
this is our hard work here where it's being represented.
There it is. Done.
Okay, now let's see who's next.
Mary.
Mary's next. Here, let's move over so Mary. Yeah, that's kind of
How
small.
many?
Yeah, you can do 3. And then okay, I'm getting.
65.
So-
Go to 65.
After we're done, everyone else who wants to go again can go again.
I want to go again. I want to go again.
Circling all of them?
Yes, we got all of them. Every last one.
So is this the first ever Snail's Pace Challenge done to completion?
You want to do it again?
I think so.
Lily
sad,
wants to
isn't
do
it?
it.
Yeah.
Lily wants
We still have to do 2 to finish the thing all together, but
No,
at least we
Daddy.
got done what needed to be done for the list. Oh right, Daddy's turn.
You get to
Daddy gets to do some. Okay, we get to do another round. Who wants to go?
Lily.
Lillian, do you want to go again?
Me too.
Okay.
We put 7 marks. Oh, wait, Mommy gets to
Okay, this
write
is
hers.
exciting.
Mommy gets to write her 6. Maybe Mommy should make the second mark. Because can I make 6 up?
And I might do a check.
Can I make it?
Mommy will do it. Mommy worked really hard.
Dun, 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 dun.
Yay, we did it! Snail's Pace Challenge 2 is, oh, this is embarrassing showing you, but I'll do it anyway. This, underneath the counter, finish those, or at least build the, build the cabinet part of it. And then the doors are going to be for Snail's Pace Challenge 3. I just want to get this done. And also one more thing for Snail's Pace Challenge 2 is get these doors installed right there. But the shelves are done, and we are going to put those on there right now.
Yeah!
What are we doing?
Basically over. You know, you have to turn it.
Okay.
Well, it fit without. Okay. That's,
Well, this is going to be the last time for a
Oh,
long
are you-
time
are
that
you
you're going to be in
sad?
there.
You sad this is gonna be the last time?
And just think, now, once this is all done, Daddy can chop off over here. Skilled labor here,
Yeah.
putting,
Semi-skilled at least.
What had happened, merry-go-round?
Okay.
We had a merry-go-round, yay.
Have to line all those up. Okay, is it?
takes a little bit of effort getting this all lined up and in its holes like it's supposed to be.
Are you gonna have to line these up?
There you go.
Yeah, we'll put them in, then we'll have to slide them till they're the right place.
And then we'll slide them in.
Oh, okay, here you go.
Get out.
I'll set it on top,
Yep.
and then we'll flip it up. Oh,
Do you know what Lisa do? This one's... Do you know what Lisa do? Lisa,
Okay, now we're gonna flip it up.
maybe if we finish the snail space challenge.
Just a second here. Hang tight here. Let's get this in here first. Okay, and it has to go in at a little bit of an angle.
Just a minute, sweetheart.
Come on, get in there.
This one.
Talk to it. Okay, yeah, that, just,
John, Daddy needs some help.
there we go.
Dropped it in, it'll probably break.
Okay. Oh, now it just needs to slide in carefully.
This is very...
Ouch, that was my ears.
Ouch.
I think I'm deaf in my left ear.
Okay, let's let it down a little more. Okay,
Wait,
now,
you gotta-
okay, that one you see it slid forward.
Gotta go my way a little bit, I think.
Okay, we're good. Right now.
Fingers, my
Okay,
fingers!
don't lose fingers on this.
Hang on. Okay.
Almost done.
Okay.
Good.
One-
Ready?
So here it is designed like that. Art, you want to show from that side?
Okay. What, Grace?
Now there's no more jail.
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, no more jail. Okay, so these are the shells for the 9x13 pans, or what do you call those things, muffin tins. And this is for our Cambrel containers. We made sure that we could fit two side by side, and they would fit this way. And then we have the bigger ones. Actually, we designed them for the larger ones to make sure that we could fit enough in here. And this will fit 24 of these, which is going to be more than enough. So we might use one shelf for the large bowls or something like that, like that. So anyway, we wanted to make sure we had enough space for everything we need. And then the drawers are going to be on top. Like I said, that's probably Snail's Pace Challenge 3 or 4.
Going back on. Watch your head, Grace. We don't want those fingers or ears.
Here we go.
Alright, now we can fasten it down.
Back in.
This looks like a...
Janelle's working on putting some shelf paper on the shelf so that she can get that started right away. Otherwise, we'd have to wait a while for that to finish curing. And look at that. She has a lot of our Cambrel containers, and well, those are going to get put in there very soon. We're going to end the vlog here. If you want to watch the organization video on the what we're doing in the island, that will be coming shortly.